we will. To parachute all the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the goal. We're coming, make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders.
So here we are at the James Black Bowie Heritage Festival in Washington, Arkansas. And we have many, many knife makers here. And we're at the booth of Randall's Engraving Incorporated. Now, what I want to bring up to you, you know, if you're here, it means that you like knives and possibly firearms too. Now, how do you make your knife or rifle or pistol unique to yourself? How do you express yourself? Well, you can find someone like Steve Randall, and you can have something engraved onto a blade or to a pistol or a shotgun or, you know, basically a firearm, and you can make a unique statement of your own on your blade or what have you. Needless to say, you would have to send in your knife to Steve because, yes, you know, Steve yes, can do magic things, but he can't magic it onto your blade. So you will have to send him the blade, and he can make what you own truly a family relic. Yeah. Steve, how long do you think it takes to do a knife?
Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is the knife should have a decent finish on it. If it don't, I'll put that on there. I go ahead and start the knife. Once the customer's committed, he wants me to do it. I start the knife, I get it ready for engraving. I then design the artwork and I show it to the customer, called a mock-up. It'll look computer generated almost as though it really is done. Some people think it is done. Once they approve it or say move this, move that, you misspelled my name, whatever it is, once we correct it and they say they like it, we begin engraving. I like to have 2 weeks to 30 days to get something done. I am a production company, but I do one-ofs. That's not a problem. No job too big, no job too small. We do them all.
That's fantastic. And once again, just think of your favorite knife with something truly unique to yourself. And Steve, how do we get a hold of you?
Well, you can either reach me through either internet, Facebook. I have a website. I got a phone number, 870-826-2999. It'll be a personal. Business line, 870-777-7577.
And you're on Instagram?
I'm on Instagram, I'm on Messenger, I'm on Facebook.
And how do we get a hold of you on Instagram?
Just simply, you can go to my page, send me a message, just DM me, and I'll respond back to you.
Just make sure I don't bump into anybody. And we'll take a little bit of this.
And I make the presentation cases as well.
Oh, wow.
So we do it all. This is a restoration. This gun was in a fire.
And just think about this. This would be an excellent thing to give to someone who is retiring, or maybe to a father or a brother or
absolutely.
something
I do a
like
lot
that.
of that. Anniversaries, retirement gifts.
It makes it truly unique. Well, thank you so much. We'll take a look at this business card right here while we're here. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
Oh, go ahead.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Oh, well, it's my pleasure. Being able to share really neat and interesting things, helping people make their cool stuff even more cool, that's what we're all about.
I love doing this. This is what I do for a living. Been doing it 45 years.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And have a nice day.
You too.
And fight, we will.